This just seen, Judge of the High Court Musa Ssekana, who is now a judge of the Court of Appeal, has just sentenced our beloved President of Uganda Law Society, Isaac Ssemakade, to 2 years in prison for contempt of court. Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I'm going to discuss everything concerning why this decision is illegal, why it is illegal to sentence the President of Uganda Law Society into prison, and most importantly, what does this mean for the judiciary? What are the legal implications of this moving forward? So, welcome to Legal News Daily, and let's discuss all of this moving forward. Hello everyone, welcome back to Legal News Daily. I'm your host Terry Kahuma on Simply Legal. And straight to the point, we find that we have always known that Musa Ssekana, who is now a judge of the Court of Appeal, has had a lot of bad blood with Isaac Ssemakade, who is the president of Uganda Law Society. Why is this? Isaac Ssemakade believes that Musa Ssekana is one of the judges who has the most illegal practices in the judiciary, and this is because he finds that most of the times his decisions are biased, his judgments are not given out of goodwill, and most importantly, he finds that Musa Ssekana has not done things in accordance to one of the principles of natural justice, and most especially what a judicial officer must have in terms of being approved for judging cases. For example, a judicial officer must be impartial, someone who does not choose sides when they're giving any judgments. And he finds that Musa Ssekana, number one, he has accused him of being tribalistic in Uganda, and number two, he has accused him of being a religionist. A religionist is someone who chooses people of the same religion. What is contempt of court? It is a situation where a lawyer or a civilian who is participating in any court proceeding or any court issue abuses the court's power. Number one, interrupts court proceedings. Number two, does things which are going to delay natural justice, or makes noise, or does something which is going to interrupt a court decision or any court proceeding, whether it's a hearing or a mention. So he finds that by giving this ruling or by sentencing Isaac Ssemakade for contempt of court, it is illegal because Isaac Ssemakade, first of all, never participated in Musa Sekana's court. He only made remarks on X, which is a former Twitter, where he keeps on giving comments about Musa Sekana's ways of conducting himself as a judicial officer of high standing. So, by accusing someone of contempt of court, it is wrong because in accordance with Article 28, Clause 12 of the Constitution, it talks about contempt of court. Now, in contempt of court, we find that an actual court proceeding must have taken place to be able to find someone guilty. Now, when you are passing a ruling to say that Terry Kahuma was in contempt of court, Counsel Terry Kahuma was in contempt of court in, let's say, the Court of Appeal, and Musa Ssekana is saying that, in fact, you are found in contempt of court because you are hurling insults at me, or you are giving illegal remarks about me being a judicial officer, then that is wrong, because that means that this whole judgment is watered down. First of all, Ssemakade was not in court. He did not participate in Musa Sekana's court or any court proceeding where Musa Ssekana was. And most importantly, he has not appeared before Musa Ssekana as a judicial officer. So that means of court and giving him 2 years imprisonment is actually wrong, because just because someone has given out